Make you red. I know the house the fruit. Swallow the